Hello guys, in this today's video we are going to cover math functions in Python. So let's open Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook, then quick open desktop, Python, new Python file, give it as a name Python math. So what's come under the Python math? The basic definition is Python has set up built-in functions including executive maths module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on number. So there are various built-in maths function. Let's see one by one. Suppose you write x is equal to min, that is minimum of suppose 1, 5, 10, and if you print the x value, then you will get 1, that is it will return you minimum value among this list. Then if you write something like this, suppose y is equal to max of same condition, that is 1, 5, 10, and if you print y value, then you will get 10. So these are min and max function. Now there is one more thing, that is ABS function. ABS function is nothing but the absolute, that will return you positive number. So how to write that? Suppose x is equal to ABS of, I am writing suppose -7, ABS of -7. If I write this and again I print the x value, then I will get 7. So ABS, that is absolute value, will return you positive number. Now there is one more thing called power function, that is POW. How to call it? So you have to put down x is equal to POW, power function, for example 2 raised to 2, and if I print the x value, then I will get 4. So 2 raised to 2 is 4. So you can use power function. Now there is one more thing, that is math module. That math module, you just have to import it. For example, import math. Then what are the math features available? Suppose you want to write down x is equal to math.ceil 1.1. if you write this and print x value, you will get 2. That is ceil function will always return the next integer value. Suppose I am writing 12.1, then I will get 13. If I write 12.9, then also I will getting 13. Yes, the next one is x is equal to math.floor. So what floor will does, it will give you previous integer value. Suppose you writing 1.9 and you are printing x, then you will get 1. Suppose you write 19.2, then you will get 19. So ceil function will return you next integer number and floor function will return you previous integer number. So these are some mathematical functions inside this Python. There is one more thing, you want to add directly pi value, so you can write down x is equal to math, make sure import math, and if you want to print the math value, x is equal to math.pi. if you print value x, then you will get 3.14, that is the actual pi value. And if you want to use any floor or ceil method, you can use it. For example, x, I'm creating new variable, that is y is equal to math.ceil x, and I'm creating next z variable, z is equal to math.floor x, and I'm printing all three values, that is x, y and z. If you print this, then you will get that ceil value is nothing but, ceiling value is nothing but, it will give you next integer number, that is 3.14, we will get 4, and floor value will return you the previous integer number, so that is 3. So guys, this is related to the Python math library. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel, click bell icon to get more updates.